Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 4th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 3rd of October, 2024, our system has ranked SPY as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.48. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.91%. This results in an average return of 0.45% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned in the upper part of a weak rising trend in the short term. This situation often represents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $575.23 would initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. Currently, the 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 3.97% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 3.44% to positive 4.38%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of 32.06% over the next 12 months, with expected returns between 24.79% and 33.37%. This translates to a price range of $715.05 to $764.16 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the SPY ETF features the headline, "A green day on Friday for the SPY ETF after gaining 0.91%. The SPY ETF price increased by 0.91% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 4th of October, 2024, rising from $567.82 to $572.98. During this trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.91%, with a low of $568.17 and a high of $573.36. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 0.83% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indication. In total, 2 million more shares were traded than the day before, with 42 million shares bought and sold for approximately $24.20 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $574.71, while the lowest price was $409.21. Currently, the price is 0.3%, or $1.73, below the 52-week high of $574.71, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, commonly known as SPY, has recently demonstrated encouraging momentum, gaining 2.1% back in September. With the Federal Reserve starting a rate cut cycle, albeit at a measured pace, the outlook for blended exchange-traded funds like SPY appears favorable. This shift could enhance its appeal to investors seeking a balance between growth and value, potentially driving demand further in the near term. In the realm of dividends, the leading dividend growth stocks for October offer yields around 1.05%, indicating that SPY remains an attractive choice in an environment where high-yield dividend stocks are gaining attention. This suggests that SPY's income-generating potential is likely to attract more investors looking for stability and returns. However, some analysts caution that with the S&P 500 approaching record valuations and bond yields above levels seen in 2021, the upside potential may be limited. Investors considering SPY should be aware of the increased risk exposure associated with such high valuations. Historically, the performance of the S&P 500 has been strong, having registered its best quarter since late 2021 and showing a year-to-date return of 22%. As we look ahead, the implications of these trends could see SPY maintaining solid performance in the short term, though potential valuation corrections could present challenges in the long run. Investing in SPY might provide short-term gains, but being vigilant about market conditions and valuations will be crucial for long-term success. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average sits above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at 570.86 and 561.47. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, September 30th, 2024, and so far it has declined by 0.153%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 34 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 19 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 42 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 216 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $543.01 and $532.90. There is an inherent risk when an ETF tests a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, SPY finds support just below today's level at $543.01. If this level is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $532.90 and $517.38. Generally, the ETF exhibits controlled movements, and with strong liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered to be very low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $5.19 between its high and low, which represents a movement of 0.91%. For the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 1.01%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $573.86. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $543.01. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $551.38, indicating a decline of 3.77%. This exchange-traded fund experiences minimal daily fluctuations, contributing to a lower risk profile. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment opportunity? Currently, several short-term indicators, coupled with an overall positive trend, suggest that this could be a favorable time to buy. There is a reasonable chance for the SPY ETF to perform well in the near term. However, after examining the volatility and market movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Monday, the 7th of October, we anticipate that SPY will open lower by $1.48, starting at $571.50. It is essential to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We highly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.